Today's Wednesday, May 20th, 2026. We're in Smithtown here on Main Street, just west of the railroad trestle of the Port Jefferson branch going over. We're going to be going just a little bit east of Kings Park to the Lawrence Road crossing just east of Kings Park. We're going to be seeing train 660 tonight. DM 30AC, 518 the leader, 521 on the rear with 8. We're going to be seeing 662 supposedly at Smithtown heading back east. Then we're going to go to St. James, try to see 661, and then we'll see 664 also at St. James. 664 tonight running with 508 leading, 509 on the rear. Both with the K5 LLA, 508 obviously the newest one with the K5 LLA. 508, 509, and 7. Being that the fact that this is the start of the summer schedule, 660 tomorrow night should be 7 cars. We'll be seeing train 14 going out to Montauk, as well as train 20. As train 42 has now been annulled from the schedule in favor of train 20. Train 20 is the extension of train 42, running with 8 cars, but now you'll be seeing it as train 20 for the summer. 20 tonight has the 520 leading, 513 on the rear with 6 cars. Actually, excuse me, 520 leading, 513 on the rear, has 8 cars. And generally, being that it is the summer schedule, you'll be seeing plenty of 8 cars or more on each consist. Later tonight into early tomorrow morning, there'll be construction work taking place along County Road 39. County Road 39, you'll be seeing the bridge being put in place for the temporary overpass pedestrian bridge for the U.S. Open at Tuckahoe Road in Southampton, which is something that I keep passing almost every day when I'm at work. Continuing west here on Meadow Road, heading towards Kings Park, and we should be there shortly. All right, we're parked here right along the crossing here at Lawrence Road and Meadow Road. Looking at the tracks here, looking to the west, pretty fierce storm clouds. Storms are just moving to the north. The cell's moving just barely to the north of me here. We'll be seeing 660 pass momentarily. It's running about 3 minutes late out of Greenlawn. Scheduled to arrive Kings Park at 6:09, so you should be here around 6:11 or so. Be getting here at Northport. He's at Northport right now. Time now is 6:07. All right, time now is 6:12. 660's just stopped in the station at Kings Park, about to proceed east. Again, we're going to be watching 660 DM 30AC, 518 leading, 521 on the rear with 8. We just had a lightning bolt come out of the sky. Just about a couple of miles away from here. And 660 now on the move. And a couple of lightning bolts coming out of the sky up there. And here he comes. That's K5 LA born in the house. nor did the E-bell at the engine. And this is train 660, Penn Station to Port Jeff. This is the second train 660 run after the strike ended early yesterday morning. All right, it is raining over here in Smithtown right now. Just got to the north side here. We're going to be watching 662 come through. Significance on this equipment, it is not DE30AC 406 leading. It's supposed to be other equipment. Going to be watching the radar right now, see where we're at. So we're going to just be sticking in the car for now until the rain subsides. It's raining a little bit over here. Nothing too significant, but still playing it safe than sorry. In a sense, it looks like we might have dodged the bullet over here, in a sense. A little bit of a rain cell. Looks like there's more lightning and thunder to the north as it's proceeding from west to east. Time now 6:30. Here comes 662 into the station here at Smithtown.
Train to Port Jefferson will depart in 1 minute on platform B.
And believe it or not, 662 running on time today. As the advertisement showed, 6:30. And sure enough, we have DE30AC 406 leading 4. This engine also has an E-bell on this one as well. C3 Cab Car 1523 on the rear. This is train 662, Long Island City to Port Jefferson. St. James, the next stop. Here, we just got to St. James, and the worst or the hardest part of the storm just passed by. We got a little bit of rain associated still. Had a pretty good wind event with this one. The worst of the cell is passing. There's another cell to the south of us. Looks like we had a developing cell to the north of us here. And pretty much the storms are moving from the east to the east-southeast to whatever it is. But anyway, keeping an eye on things right now with this bad weather. Good night to go out, let's just put it that way. 661 has the 5007 leading. DM30AC 522. I haven't seen that one out in a while. With 5. And so far that is going to be departing on time for a 6:49 departure at St. James here. Just taking a look at the radar right now. Got a pretty significant thunderstorm that's going to be coming through as I'm looking at this now. Let's just say it's going to pass as these storms are developing minute by minute. This next thunderstorm cell, from what I am seeing, looking at it right now, is going to pass just to the north. And I mean just to the north. We'll have a little bit of rain on it. This cell does have a little bit of lightning associated with it. But again, it's going to pass to the north. Just barely to the north. As you can hear the thunder. Okay, I'm going to be watching train 661 depart. Gets here around 6:49. So I'm not too sure if we're going to be seeing if storms are screwing train service. Right now, the storm system that is coming through is causing havoc. One of my railfan friends, one of my railroad engineer buddies who works for SEPTA, has reported suspensions along SEPTA. More than likely, we're probably going to be taking the shot from this car due to the thunderstorms coming through, just to play it safe. Till now, 6:49, and you can hear all that thunder coming through here at St. James. So again, I'll be staying in the car for this one because of the thunder around me. A lot of lightning coming through. Again, being safe in the car is probably the best bet during the thunderstorm. All this wind. Be waiting for 664 thereafter as well. $661 is coming around the curve at milepost 51. Gates are now coming down for Mauritius Road. The DM30AC 522 on the rear. 522 is the only DM30AC to have the MTA Long Island Railroad Herald and the We Serve with Pride in blue lettering, as this was redone quite a few years ago is that this is not the original nose of 522. Time now is 7:05, and it is pouring here. We thought that the storms would end, but it is not. .664 running 9 minutes late out of Smithtown. And we're on the very northern fringe of this thunderstorm cell. Pretty good lightning bolt nearby just a few minutes ago. As it appears that the worst of the lightning is remaining to the south of us, which is the main part of this thunderstorm cell that has developed. We'll be seeing 664 momentarily, as he just departed Smithtown a few moments ago. Again, it's running about 9 minutes late out of post 2. And he should be getting here shortly. Time now is 7:09. Here comes 664. Again, DM30AC, 508 leading 509 on the rear with 7. Gates are coming down now at Richards Road, just to the east of here. And he's on the move now. The engineer 664 must be a buff at the controls. Give me a horn salute as he went by. Well, anyway, managed to get that shot off of 664 in between the raindrops here. And let's just say a very adventurous evening with the rain and the thunderstorms and all that. And now time to head home.